Hey, today's video will be two on the nose, and about noses. I'll be using Michael Hampton's method of simplification to draw the structure of the nose with basic shapes. Okay, so the nose can be divided into four parts: the base, the walls, the bridge, and the root, or keystone. Depending on the angle of the face, we can see all four parts or some of them. To position the nose, I use the facial symmetry line. After drawing the line of the brow, eyes, and nose, I place the nasal root. Then we draw a line for the bottom of the nose and for the tip of the nose to construct the base. Now we just connect the dots to draw the walls and bridge. From this view, the nostrils will be seen like this, and you can show that the tip of the nose is round by curving its line. For the three-quarter view, only one wall is visible, along with the nasal roots, the bridge, and the base. From the profile view, we can see only one wall, the nasal roots, and the base. The nasal root should be drawn curving forward until it meets the brow line. Here are some practices I did on different types of noses. Drawing the basic construction first can help not only with connecting the nose to other facial features, but also with shading. So go, try drawing different types of noses at different angles. Follow your nose. Okay, so that's how I learned how to draw the nose. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to know more about the basic construction of the head, I made a video about it. But if you're interested in how to draw muscles, you might like this video. Please like and consider subscribing. See you next time!